number is this?
13.
Very good. What number is this?
18.
Very good. What number is this?
14.
Very good. What number is this?
16.
Very good. What letter is this?
M.
Again.
Mouse.
Very good. What letter is this?
N.
Again.
Lion.
Very good. What number is this? Letter?
A.
Seahorse yun, Mita.
Again.
H.
Again.
Horse.
Very good. What letter is this?
O.
Again.
Ostrich.
Very good. What letter is this?
Third. Turtle.
T. What letter is this? Again. Very good. What number is this?
17.
Very good. What letter is this?
R.
Again. Again.
Ano na naman to?
French.
Sabihin ka talaga.
What letter is this?
R.
Again.
Red.
Very good. What letter is this?
M.
Again.
Monkey.
Very good. What letter is this?
W. N. Ano na ba tata?
Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
Wheel.
Wagon.
Ah?
Wagon.
Wheel. Wagon.
Wagon.
Wagon. Wagon daw, wagon. Mali nga ako.
Wheel.
Mali nga raw ako, wagon nga raw.
Wheel.
Ay, wagon. What is na? What letter is this? Asin. Very good. What letter is this?
Y.
Asin.
Lord.
Very good. What letter is this?
F.
Asin.
Hand.
Hand.
Pen.
Very good. What letter is this?
S.
Asin.
Fish.
Very good. What letter is this? Asin.
Dog.
Very good.
X. X-ray.
Very good. Asin. Very good. Asin.
Piano.
Very good.
X.
Sa Burns, patingin ako ng rice, ha?
Very good. Ah,
N.
very good.
Ano naman ito sa nest?
Egg. Ah. Very good. Ah. Nako. You speak louder, okay? Speak louder, ha?
A. Apple.
Very good.
J. Shower.
Very good.
Ano kumakain ng bear?
Ako.
Ano kain ba?
Ikaw.
Lolo.
Papa. Okay, you sit down na.
Okay. Kaya number.
Very good.
A. An.
Very good.
L. As in lick.
Very good.
O. As in off.
Very good.
K. As in kite.
Very good.
B. As in bird.
Very good.
As in egg.
Very good.
A. B. As in duck.
Very good.
N. As in X-ray.
Very good. Whose place is this?
As in mama.
My mama. My mama.
Mama.
Okay.
V. Love.
That's Valentine, not love. Okay? What about this one?
Y. As in yoyo.
Very
Sino
good.
naglalan? Yoyo. R. As in tiger.
Rabbit.
Worry.
Very good.
May tawag din. May tawag din eh.
Left. Ano pangalan nito?
Ano ba tawag kasi dyan?
Rat?
Hindi.
Worry.
Rattle?
Ata.
Rattle. That's rattle. That's
Ay,
not rattle, okay?
Ano lang? Ano to?
What is this, Tita Bern? What's this, Tita Bern?
You.
It's a bird. Unicorn. What is it?
Oh, you're careful, okay?
Unicorn.
Okay, very good.
Unicorn na lang po.
Why you speak English na?
Yes, I can horse it, but
Ay. That's not a proper, ano ha? That's not a proper,
Jamunga.
what?
Jamunga.
What's that mean?
I can Jamunga.
What's that mean?
I can Jamunga.
You're baluga.
Yes.
I'm not baluga. You're baluga?
What number speed?
17.
Very good. What number speed?
14.
Very good. What number speed?
16.
Very good. What number speed?
20.
What number speed?
17.
Very good. What number speed?
13.
What number speed?
63.
Very good. What number speed?
18.
What number speed?
68.
Very good. What number speed?
12.
What number speed?
62.
Baliktad na po ang mundo ngayon.
19.
What number speed?
69. 19.
Okay.